Hey everyone, welcome back. My name is Ekta and if you're new here then welcome to my channel. Now summer is already on its peak and the rainy season is increasing the humidity much more. So I am going to show you a very practical everyday makeup for summer and rainy season. Also, this makeup is transfer proof, waterproof and sweat proof. Also, we are going to do a complete water spray test at the end to see if this makeup really stays after all that sweat or not. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. Start off with a clean face. Always make sure that your face is completely clean before you are doing any makeup. For now, I am using this Garnier Micellar water on a cotton pad and wiping it around my face to make sure that my face is completely clean. You can either use a face wash if you don't have any makeup on or use a cleansing milk to clean your face completely. While doing makeup in the summer, what I do is I start with icing my face. I put a ice in a piece of cotton and go all over my face and neck. Icing your face will reduce the size of your pores. It will relax and soothe your skin. It will also confuse your body system to think that it is cold outside, and it will however make your face sweat less for the upcoming 2 to 3 hours. And now I'm going to use this toner from Biotique, and I'll use a toner to balance the pH level of my skin. It's a very important step for any season, whether you are doing makeup or not. Do apply a toner before moisturizing. Make sure that you are doing the CTM correctly, and whether you do makeup or not, toner is a must in all season and at every time. To moisturize, I am using this Lakme Moisturiser, which also has an inbuilt SPF of 24. If your moisturizer doesn't have any sunscreen, you can apply a sunscreen after you moisturize. Don't ever think that it's summer so your face doesn't need some moisturizer. Moisturizer is something that your face craves for any season. Make sure that you're moisturizing your face very nicely. Just give a little gentle massage of 1 minute to your face so that the moisturizer can seep into your skin. And also never ever forget to apply the moisturizer on your neck area. If you don't apply moisturizer on your neck, slowly it will get dry and start getting pigmented. So apply everywhere. Also, don't forget to apply under your eyes. You can also use a special under eye cream, but for this summer season I would prefer that you apply just the moisturizer you are using for your face under your eyes as well. And now I am applying this mattifying primer from Nykaa. This is Prep Me Up primer. This is a gel based primer and I am going to apply it all over my face while applying near my nose area, as I have enlarged pores. So I am going to massage in the primer into my skin. I am going to take time and massage it near my nose area so that it blurs out my pores very nicely. Also apply a primer, a good amount of primer over your upper lip, because this is the area that sweats a lot. At least in my case, I sweat a lot over my lips. So apply a very generous amount over your lips and on your chin area. Now you're completed with the T-zone. Apply the leftover primer all around your face so that your makeup can stay long and be sweat proof and transfer proof. Now we are done with prepping our skin. Leave your skin for 5 to 10 minutes and then we'll move on to the makeup. First I am going to color correct my skin. Starting with an orange corrector, I am using this LA Girl Pro Conceal corrector in the shade orange because it is a very lightweight and gets absorbed very quickly into the skin. It neutralizes any dark spots if you have. Use it only onto your dark spots or discolored areas and not on your entire face. The key to sweatproof and waterproof makeup is to use less product and less layers. So use lightweight products. That's why I'm using all these products that are very lightweight. The description box will have list of all the products that I'm using in this video, so don't forget to check out the description box. Now I'm using a foundation brush to blend out all the corrector that I have applied, and I'm using this brush because it is large and it will help me to blend it very fast, because this concealer gets absorbed into the skin very fast. So it is important to blend it out as soon as you apply the concealer. And now taking a damp beauty sponge, I'm going to set the concealer and remove any excess concealer that I have on my face. So you can see now I'm going to I forgot to prep my lips. Yes, so now I'm applying a lip balm so that my lips are prepared nicely when I'm going to apply the lipstick. So don't forget to prepare your lips and apply a lip balm. Moving on to foundation, I'm using this very lightweight Maybelline Fit Me for my foundation. It gives a very sheer to medium coverage and gets absorbed into your skin very quickly, like it sets very fast. So we can use this for making getting that sweatproof makeup and waterproof makeup. Don't use cream based products or gel based products or very heavy products. Always try to use lightweight products to get that sweatproof and waterproof makeup effect. I'm using a foundation brush to blend out that product into my face. I'm using very little product. This product is already lightweight, and I'm also using very little product so that I don't end up layering my face with lots of product. At the end, I'm going to use a damp sponge to set everything in place and remove any excess foundation if I've applied. This will make sure that your makeup sets nicely into your face and doesn't move while you are sweating or while you are in the rain. So now to brighten up my face, I'm going to use this concealer from Maybelline, and I'm just going to apply little under my eyes and over my T-zone so that my middle of my face brighten up. And this concealer is very lightweight and it dries up very quickly. So this is a very good option for concealer in the summer season so that your makeup stays waterproof. And I'm going to blend it out using a damp sponge, and make sure that you are just dabbing the damp sponge on your face and not wiping it. Now to set everything in place, I am going to use a translucent fixing powder. This is from Kryolan in the shade TL4. You can also use the translucent powder from Maybelline. That is also a very good option for making your makeup last long. Using a pressed powder will build another layer, so avoid that. Also, using pressed powder makes you sweat a lot, so always make sure that while doing your makeup you are setting your face with a translucent powder, and later for that touch up you can use the pressed powders. After finishing off with the powder, I applied a setting spray on my makeup to let that makeup set in place and make it sweat proof, but that clip somehow got deleted, so I'm really sorry for the inconvenience. After putting the setting spray, I moved on to my eye makeup, and I'm just going to even out the lid area using the same concealer. For filling in my eyebrows, I'm just going to brush it off with a spoolie and use a eyebrow powder. I'm not going to use any cream based product for my eyebrows, because if I sweat, the cream product would start melting and it would not look good. So I have tried to use only liquid and powder products for this sweat proof makeup look. So filling off my eyebrows using an eyebrow powder which is similar to my eyebrow hair shade. This is a dark brown shade from my eyeshadow palette. I prefer using shades from the eyeshadow palette for my powder product for eyebrows, so I don't purchase any other eyebrow palette for filling off my eyebrows. I just use the shades from the eyeshadow palettes. After that, I am going to fill or apply the shadow. This is a very nude and beige color shadow. This is just to even out the lid area, and it doesn't have much color because this is a very everyday look, so I'm not going to go in with color. And now I'm highlighting under the brow bones. Highlighting will just brighten up my face for the summer season. It will not make the makeup look very dull. So just highlight under your brow bones and the inner corner and blend it with a little shader brush, and finish the eye makeup look with mascara. This mascara I'm using is waterproof. Make sure you also use a waterproof mascara. And you can apply the mascara on your upper lashes as well as your lower lashes. Finishing this makeup look with some of bronzer and highlight. I'm not going to apply any blush. I'm just going to do a little bit of bronzing or contouring using a very lightweight powder product, and I'm just going to give a chiseled effect to my face, and I'm just going to do a little contouring using an angled contour brush. And using a stippling brush, I'm just going to bring that contour forward and make it look as a blush. Moving on to the lips. To make your lipstick transfer proof, use a lip liner to line and fill in your lips. This will make sure that your lipstick stays for a very long time and doesn't move. I'm using this nude shade lip liner from Wet n Wild, and I'm just going to line my lips and fill in the lips using the same lip liner. And now I'm applying this liquid lipstick from Swiss Beauty. This is a very nude shade, and I'm just going to fill in my lips using this. This stays for a really long time. I prefer using matte liquid lipsticks because it will make your lipstick stay longer, and using a glossy lip will remove the lipstick from its place. So try to use a matte effect lipstick. And this makeup comes to an end using the highlight on the highest points of my face. I'm going to do it with a very light hand. I'm just going to highlight on my forehead, the bridge of my nose, my cheekbones, over my lips and on my chin. This is going to be with very light hands because this is a day look, a summer look. This will definitely brighten up your face. And tada! Here we are done with the look. You can carry this look anywhere, to a meeting, to a brunch, to a lunch, anywhere that you want. Now let's spray some water to see if this makeup really holds up or not. I'm taking some water in a spray bottle and spraying a good generous amount all over my face. So you can see I'm going to spray a good amount all over my face. Let's spray some more. Now you can see the water is still on the face and the makeup is not going anywhere. Now you can wait to let it dry, or you can use a tissue paper to soak in the water. While using the tissue, do not wipe the tissue, just press and dab. And as you can see, my makeup is still put and it's look fresh. My eye makeup is intact, my bronzer is intact, my highlighter and my lipstick, everything is on its place. I'm very happy with the results and I hope you are as well. Let me know in the comment section down below. If you're going to try this, don't forget to tag me on my Instagram. Everything is mentioned in the description box down below. So don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. See you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.